Hello guys, good afternoon. This is the question we're going to consider for today. Let me take the question closer. So the question says, given that y varies inversely as the square root of x, if x equal 3 and y equal 100, find the equation connecting x and y. So when you see questions like this, is based on variation. Here we are talking about variation, and the first thing you have to consider is the first thing you have to do for our solution. First thing you have to do is theta the variables. So variables here are x and y. We have two variables alone, just two variables. So how are these two variables connected? So the question, it says, given that y, so we start with the variable y. They said y varies, so we bring the sign of variation inversely. So note this word inversely. Okay, it varies inversely. So inversely, you have to put it 1 in your division sign. Inversely as what? As the square of x. This is x and this is square of x. So the statement y varies inversely as the square of x. Okay, that's the first part. Okay, now dealing with this first part, we have to simplify this. This is the statement given there, the first statement. So we have to change it to an equation. Now, by removing this sign of proportionality or sign of variation, we have to replace it with the constant. Now we are taking k as a constant and the equal sign. So we do y equal to, we introduce the constant k by 1 all over s squared. Now this will further produce y equal to k multiplied by 1 will give us k to x squared. So this is a statement, simplification of that first statement here, given that y varies inversely as the square of x. So we've removed the sign of proportionality to introduce k and equal to. Now the second part says, if x equal 3 when y equal 100. So there is a time that when y is equal to 100, x is equal to 3. So you're going to substitute this, and if we do that, we have, instead of y, we'll have a 100 equal to k, because there was no value attached to k there. Then here we'll have 3 squared. Okay, so that is when. Now they said you should find the equation connecting x and y. Okay, in order for us to get the equation connecting x and y, this is the equation, but there's a third variable here, this constant. We have to find the value of this constant. So to get the value of this constant k, we have to simplify this. So if we making k the subject, we have to this is assumed, not assumed. This is same thing as 100 all over 1 is equal to k all over 3 squared. At this point, you cross multiply. If you cross multiply, this multiplies this multiplies this, so you have k by 1 is equal to 3 squared by 100. Okay, k multiplied by 1, anything multiplied by 1 still remains, so our k is equal to 3 squared is 3 times 3, so we have 3 times 3 times 100, and that will give us k is equal to 3 times 3 is 9 by 100. 9 by 100 is 900, so we have k is equal to 900. Now we're going to substitute this value of k into this for us to get the equation. So substitute 900 for k in y equal to k all over s squared. So if we do that, we're going to have y equal to 900 over s squared. So we are going to make it look more of a like we are going to get rid of the fraction from the equation we have, and by so doing we're going to multiply both sides by the denominator of the fraction. We have only one fraction here, so the denominator is s squared, so we're going to use s squared. If we do that, we have y by s squared is equal to 900 over s squared by x squared. This will take out this and we'll be left with just 900. And this will give us y s squared is equal to 900. Now this is the required answer. So this is the equation that connects x to y. So you can see from the beginning to the end. Okay, so this is the solution to that question. Just stay tuned to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe. Then I'll be dropping more of my solution to some past question. This is actually one of the mathematics past question for WAEC 2018 precisely. Okay, so you can, if you have any challenge, you can drop a question at the comment section. Thank you.